Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my classic size Encourager Layout social media planner. I am going to be using the new watercolor goals, the new Boss Babe, and I have my two Fun Florals books here because to me no spread is complete if I don't add some flowers, and I do have this. One of these is my backup Fun Floral sticker book. So I'm actually filming this on, today is the 10th, but I'm trying to kind of get ahead just because I got things going on and I feel like I've been out of sorts just with doing my home renovations, and I've kind of been absent on social media, so I feel like I kind of need to get ahead. And I did pre-choose some stickers. Now these stickers, I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with this spread. So I just chose a lot of stickers from Watercolor Goals. These came out of the Boss Babe. So I'm just going to kind of see if I can make something out of these. I am going to start, let's see, I think I'm going to start by putting down this big social media box. And I'm just going to put it in this to-do section. But basically what it is you can put your platforms on this sticker. So I would put YouTube and Instagram, and then you check off your days of the week. It's kind of like a habit tracker for social media. So I could put posts here or comments, you know, just check off whether I posted or whether I checked my comments or whatnot. So I'm not sure exactly what I'll write in this box or how I'll use it, but I do kind of want to try to use all of my stickers. And I saw this and thought that it would be neat. So this is my first time actually using this social media tracker. But then I also wanted to add some flowers into the mix. So I was thinking that I could kind of just tuck some flowers underneath some of these stickers. So I'm going to grab my tweezers because I do need to pull the edge of that sticker up. And I do apologize to you guys because I have been kind of absent. Like I was saying, just with the new year, I kind of went gung-ho on home improvement jobs and painting and rearranging. We got new furniture. We added some new cabinets. So I've kind of been absent. And then I kind of got in a little funk, a little social media funk. I don't know if anybody is familiar with how that feels. I'm sure you guys are. But I'm just trying to get back on my game here. So anyways, I apologize for being absent. I am trying now to focus and be back on my normal routine. So I think this flower is cute down here. I can see a little bit of shadowing in this social media box, but I think I'm going to leave that there and just not let it bother me. So then from the Watercolor Goals sticker book, I thought these little paints, they're not paint swatches or whatever these are, I thought they'd be cute. So I'm just going to kind of layer one with this little floral on Monday, and let's see how this looks. This is kind of like out of my comfort zone, just using all these different stickers, but I kind of get tired of doing the same thing over and over. So I thought maybe I'd just kind of change it up and do a little something different. I'm going to try to, I know there's not really a straight per se for this sticker, but I do need to try to straighten it up or make it look a little different for myself. So how do I want to do this? Yeah, that looks a little better. And then I was just going to put this Get Social up here because I do need to be on my social media game. And of course this is a week ahead of time, so next week starts with the 13th. And speaking of the 13th, the Happy Planner is releasing their like cardboard sticker storage boxes. So they will be releasing those at midnight Pacific time on, well actually, you know what? It doesn't even matter because you guys are going to see this video long after those are released. So just forget I even said that whole part. But anyways, I'm going to try to get my hands on some of those sticker storage boxes. Y'all let me know if you got some. It's so hard to try to film ahead because then just like I just did, I end up saying something that's totally irrelevant by the time you see this video. But okay, so this is still looking pretty weird to me, just with all the different colors and shapes and patterns. So I hope it doesn't continue to look too funky. but we'll see. I thought it would be cute to kind of add a couple of these little decorative icons down here. So yeah, this spread is kind of all over the place, but it's actually coming together pretty cute. Now I do have this flower. Don't know, do I want to put that over that social media there? That might look kind of cute. Let's try that. Let's just peel up this edge and see what it looks like. I got to get back on my filming game because I'm filming with my phone, and I do want to let you guys know that I think one of the reasons I was kind of in a funk is because editing is such a tedious process. Like, the editing is not too bad, but then when you edit a video, you have to render the video, and that takes several minutes. And then once you render the video, then you have to upload it to YouTube, and that takes several more minutes. And when you're doing 4 and 5 videos a week, I was literally spending a whole day just doing videos, editing and uploading. So I'm gonna try to be a little more simple in my filming and editing. And by that, I mean, I'm probably gonna take out my end screens. And because I'm sure you guys don't really care if I have a fancy end screen or not. If any of y'all really even make it to the total end of my videos, I'm sure those of you who do make it to the end don't care if I have a colored end screen or not. So I'm probably gonna try to just totally avoid editing at all and just film my normal videos and then upload them straight to YouTube without editing. I've really got to be more conscious about my time management. So we'll see how that goes with me just straight uploading. Because with me pre-planning my stickers, I don't need to edit my videos other than to add in the end screen and then change up the color a little bit. But with my phone, I don't really have to change the color. So y'all let me know if you really care whether or not there is an end screen at the end of my videos. But I doubt that you guys do care, because if you're like me, I really can't stand intros on videos. Like, if there's somebody with a really long intro, I fast forward through the intros anyways. That's why I don't have an intro. And then usually by the time the end screen comes on, I'm exiting out of the video to begin with. So I just like to keep things simple and not try to be too fancy. So y'all let me know down in the comments if you would rather see intros and all that fancy stuff, or if you just want me to cut to the chase and get to the video. But this social media planning sticker and this content creation sticker came out of that Boss Babe sticker book. And I thought, since I do most of my sticker placement or my wax paper pre-planning on Thursdays, and then I do my recording and video editing on Saturdays, I thought they would be cute to put there. And then I have this Network Girl sticker that came from that same sticker book, and I think I'm just going to put it down here. I'm just basically using it as decoration. And I think I want to try to use this one down here at the bottom, and I'm going to put a little flower in it as well. And we'll just have to see what this spread turns out to look like, just with me trying to be a little different. So I thought I could just kind of tuck this flower up under this corner and the hexagon. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it in there. Kind of maybe like that. No. I need to tuck it a little bit more. So that's not too terrible. There's a lot going on this spread, but let's see. And then I kind of want to do this same thing over here with the little planter and the coffee cup that I did on the other side. So we're just going to do it a little bit opposite from what the other side looks like. All right, now I grabbed these, I don't even know if you can see them, but these colorful X's, but I don't think I'm going to use those. And then I also grabbed the Instagram and YouTube logos. I was going to put them down here for my stats, but I'm not going to use those either. So now I feel like I may need another flower up here to kind of balance this out. So let's see what I can find in this Fun Floral sticker book. And this is the one that's almost empty. So let's grab the back up and see what we can find here. I feel like if I put a flower here, I need a colorful box or something too. So I may have to grab a colorful box, but I do need to just kind of even this out some. I need something up here. So let me grab, let's grab this watercolor goals and try to grab another one of these paint swatches to just see what I can do with that. And then let's just grab maybe this floral. And what color? Let's see what my options are here. Maybe this blue. See what we can do over here. That's kind of weird because the sticker goes way out past the blue. But let's put this maybe right here and then kind of just tuck this flower under the edge. Uh-oh. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I think I need a smaller flower. So let me see what I can find. If I cannot rip anything here. All right, so put that there. And let's grab this. Let's see what this will look like under here. I think I might have to cut some of the edge off. Yeah, I feel a little bit better about that. Still, this spread is a little bit strange to me because it's all different. But like I said, I do like to change things up, and I kind of get tired of doing the same things all the time. So I'm gonna try to just stick this up at the top here. That's kind of cute. All right, so let's put this back in my planner and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell beside the subscription button so that you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload. So here's what it looks like. I think it's pretty cute. It's different. So y'all let me know in the comments what you think of it. Is it just like totally wacky and mismatched? Because it kind of is. But anyways, this is it. So I'll see y'all on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.